Hey guys, Ashley Lawson here from Emporia, Kansas. I've been using LadyBoss Labs now for a couple weeks. As you can see, I have the full line. My favorite product would be Lean. It is the best protein powder I have ever had. It does taste like vanilla cake. There's no weird aftertaste. It's not gritty. It's really smooth going down. And it, like I said, it does taste like vanilla cake. Who wouldn't want that for breakfast, right? So I usually do take mine for breakfast with my banana or my apple. And then it kind of just gets me going through the day. And then I'll take one for a snack. And then sometimes I'll have one with my lunch just to get me feeling full. So it will cut those cravings of, hey, I need something sweet, I need chocolate, I need something. And, you know, it'll make you feel full for the rest of the day. So I'll take one or two, okay, maybe sometimes three, and get through the day and feel just awesome. So there's Lean. I actually do have a second favorite. I'll take Rest. Because, you know, I've always struggled with getting to sleep and staying asleep. Rest is the way to go. I take 2 at night. I go to bed and I sleep all the way through the night, no issue, no question about it. Don't bother waking me up because I'm not going to. And then you wake up in the morning and you're refreshed, you're ready to go, you're ready to take on the day, and there you go. I mean, it's just awesome. I hope you guys like the new products as much as I do. Good luck with your journeys. So proud of you guys. Keep going. Bye.